Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to activate or reactivate your deleted Skrill account. So basically there is only one option for this one. You need to go on this link page or URL, or rather you need to go to this website. This is the link to it, so please pause the video if you want to copy it. Let me just copy it and paste it to a notepad so you can see it properly, okay? It's gonna be this one, guys. There you go. So pause the video right now, copy it, write it down, and then you're good to go. So once you're here, just fill out everything here. First name, for example, the last name again, email address, of course, the category of the scenario, for example, accounts, payments, and so on and so forth. Basically, write the question here. Tell them that I need to reactivate my Skrill account. Basically, that's it. Just tell them what happened and click on send. Now, make sure the email address here is the active one because they're going to reach out to you via this email address, okay? And that's how you reactivate your Skrill account. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.